Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can transfer to your Revolut friends some money. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. What you'll need to have is some friends in Revolut, or you will need to add them. So open up your bank app, go to the payments right here, go to this page, click on this plus icon. As you can see, you'll see this page, click on Revolut. And here you will see add Revolut friend. You can add by ref tag, phone or email, and QR code. So I will show you with the ref tag. Click on the ref tag and you will see Revolut friends, or you will be able to put ref tag and add them. So if you take this friend, click on him, click on the send one, and you will be able to add amount right here and click continue, and you will be able to send to your friend. So that's pretty much it, and see you in the next one.